The car stopped in the middle of nowhere. Not slowly. Not gently, just stopped. The engine went silent. The road stretched empty in both directions. Wind moved through the trees like a warning. I tried the key again, nothing. My phone screen lit up. One bar, then none. I rested my forehead on the steering wheel. Not tonight, I thought. Please, not tonight. I stepped outside. Cold air hit my face. The sky was dark, heavy with clouds, no streetlights. No houses, just road and trees, then I saw headlights. A car slowed down and stopped behind me. For a second, fear rose in my chest. A man stepped out, not rushed, not aggressive, careful. Car trouble? He asked. Yes, I replied. My voice sounded smaller than I felt. He looked at my engine. Tried a few things. Shook his head. Won't start tonight, he said. Battery's gone. My chest tightened. There is a small place ahead, he continued. Old roadside house. I live there. I hesitated. This is wrong, my mind warned. Don't go. But the road was empty. The night was cold, and I was alone. Okay, I said. That was my first mistake. We drove in his car. Silence filled the space between us. Not awkward. Just aware. The house appeared suddenly. Small. Old. Light glowing from inside. Inside, it smelled like wood and tea. Warm. Safe. You can sit, he said. I'll make something hot. I wrapped my hands around the cup he gave me. My fingers shook slightly. From cold. From everything else. We talked. Simple things. Where I was coming from. Why he lived so far from the city. I like quiet, he said. It tells the truth. That line stayed with me. The wind picked up outside. Rain hit the windows. You can stay tonight, he said. No pressure. Just until morning. I nodded. I should leave, I thought. I should say no. I didn't. The house had one bedroom. One bed. He noticed my hesitation. I'll sleep on the floor, he said quickly. No, I replied. I don't want you uncomfortable. The word surprised even me. We lay on opposite sides. Not empty. I could feel his presence. His warmth. Too clearly. You okay? He asked softly. Yes, I whispered. That was true. And not. My mind listed reasons to leave. My body stayed still. At some point, the cold crept in again. I shifted closer without thinking. He froze. I'm sorry, I said quickly. It's okay, he replied. His arm rested near my back, not touching. Respecting the space that made my chest ache. Minutes passed. Or maybe hours. The storm grew louder. I turned slightly. Our arms touched. Just skin through fabric. A spark. Small. Real. This is wrong. I told myself again. You don't know him, but I felt safe. And that confused me more than fear. His hand moved. Slow. Careful. It rested on my waist. Still, I didn't pull away. We stayed like that. Breathing together. Close. Almost crossing a line, nothing more happened. But everything was felt. Sleep came quietly. I woke before morning. Rain had stopped. The room was still. His arm was around me now. Protective. Natural. I felt something deep and dangerous settle in my chest. Morning light entered softly. He woke and smiled. Simple? Uncomplicated. For a moment, it felt like this was normal. Like this was allowed. Then his phone rang. He checked it quickly. Too quickly. His face changed. I sat up. That's someone? I asked. He nodded. I didn't plan this, he said. I swear. I believed him. That hurt more. She's waiting for me, he added. Not here. But in my life, the truth landed slowly. Heavy. I looked at him. At the bed. At the quiet house. You knew this could happen, I told myself. I stood up. I should go, I said. Yes, he replied. I'll fix your car. He did Dot quickly. Silently Dot, when I got in my car, he stood there for a moment. I'm sorry, he said. I know, I replied. That didn't make it easier. I drove away. The road looked the same, but I wasn't. Some nights don't give you what you want. Some moments come without warning. Some choices feel right, even when they aren't. Now tell me, should she have left the moment she knew the truth? Or was staying human not wrong? Write your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective matters. And if this story made you feel something, like, share, and subscribe for more emotional English stories.